Keurig K-Classic Coffee Maker, Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Brewer, 6 to 10 ounces. Brew sizes, black. Brews multiple K-Cup pod sizes, 6, 8, 10 ounce, the most popular K-Cup pod brew sizes. Use the 6-ounce brew size to achieve the strongest brew. Large 48-ounce water reservoir allows you to brew 6+ cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. The water reservoir is removable, making it easy to refill whenever you need to. Desealing, an important part of cleaning your Keurig brewer. This process helps to remove calcium deposits or scale that can build up inside a coffee maker over time. Auto off. An auto off feature is easily programmed to turn off your coffee maker after it has been idle for 2 hours, helping to save energy. Simple button controls, just insert a pod, select your desired cup brew size, and brew a great tasting cup in under a minute. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.